Introducing the new Kubota Big Tool Rack, the ultimate tractor attachment that lets you carry a tool shed's worth of equipment with you wherever you go. The Kubota Big Tool Rack adds the cargo space you always wish you had on your tractor, which means no more tools bouncing out of your front bucket. It also offers counterweight and lets you tow a trailer. Depending on your needs and your tractor size, there are two models available, the Kubota Standard Rack and the Kubota Poly XP HD, each offering the tractor operator conveniences and abilities not yet seen in the tractor market. Securely carry your trimmer, chainsaw, rakes, shovels, and anything else you may need while working the land. Use the heavy-duty straps to keep everything snug. The active tailgate gives you plenty of cargo space for anything else you may need. Use the long lumber carriers for the larger items. The Kubota Big Tool Rack can handle it. Working on the farm? Stack up to 6 bales of hay. The Kubota Big Tool Rack is not only a mobile tool shed, it's also a mobile workshop. Splitting wood this weekend? Secure your chainsaw in the chainsaw holder and carry your oil and gloves in the storage bins. Tow the splitter right to where the wood is. Our focus on versatility and functionality is guaranteed to make your workday easier. Stack the wood in the bed, latch her up, and drive away. Even the Poly XP HD has a large cargo space, features a variety of tool holders, and gives you a hitch to tow whatever you need to have with you. Need your tools back in your workshop? Easy. Just extend out the legs and roll the Big Tool Rack right into your garage or barn. With its heavy-duty casters, you'll have no problems rolling it away or storing it. Ready to take it back out? Let's not make a chore of it. Kubota Big Tool Racks are quick hitch compatible, so you can hook it back up to your tractor without even having to get off it. If you own a tractor, you understand the difference that having the right tools can make throughout your workday. The Kubota Big Tool Rack extends the uses your tractor has by always making sure that you have what you need when you need it. Get more done with the new Kubota Big Tool Rack.